Hello, welcome to another Microbit video with me, Mr. Morrison. So today we're going to create a counter that resets. So if I press button B, I can increase the number on the microbit like that. But if I press button A, it resets to 0. So I can keep doing that like this, and it'll reset it to 0 when I press button A. So let's get coding. So for this project, my counter that resets, I'm going to need on start, and then I'm going to have my on button A and my on button B. So on button A, well, we'll actually start with on start. So we'll need a variable. So I'll make a variable called count, and I'm going to set count to 0 to begin with. And I'm just going to display the number 0 just so that we know that it's on 0. Now, A is going to be how we're resetting this. I'm going to have my count happening on B. So I'm going to change count by 1 on button B. And then I'm going to display that variable. So show number and count. So now, at the moment, when I press button B, number is going to go up like that. But I can't reset it at the moment. So I need an option to reset it, and that is going to be in here. I am going to go into variables, and I'm going to set count to 0, and then I am going to show number, and it'll just say 0. So now, when I press button B, it's going to increase it. I press button A, it's going to set it back to 0. So there's my counter that resets. Download this to your microbit and see if it works, and I hope to see you in another video very soon.